All right, so we're on our way to Niagara Falls, and we're going to be there in an hour and 55 because our current ground speed is only 111. The indicated ground speed of 130 and an outside air temperature of 10 gives us about 150 knots true. Yeah, Mike. YouTube world, how you doing? This is my co-pilot, Mike D Francesco, and we're on our way up to Niagara Falls. Pretty cool trip. Fixing my altitude again. You know, I thought I'd have to get a faster website, faster name for the website, but on this trip with this headwind, we'll be just fine. 110 knots.
About 46 field, that primary traffic's no factor. Additional traffic at your 12 o'clock and about 1-2 miles of the Cessna 172 westbound.
33 minutes to go, folks.
Rocket 57 Tango to Cessna maintain 4,000, correction 6,000.
Out of 8,000 for 6,000, about 57 Tango.
Roger, we're
coming in. We're going lower. I'm not going to be so loopy, so that'll be it. I'm going to put the awesome headgear on. It's going to be cool. Be awesome. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe I need oxygen. I'm having a good time, and the plane's having a good time too, so we're okay. All right. .1, IAG 110.1, good. Our inbound course will be 280.
Approach, come here, 679,
Our intercept will be at 1800. Locator marker is on.
Camera 679, Rochester approach, altimeter 29 or 89er, heading 070, vector visual 22.
Right, heading 070, vectors for 22, 2989 on the meter, camera 679.
Skylane 57 Tango, contact Buffalo approach 126.15.
Over to Buffalo, 126.15, 57 Tango. Buffalo approach, Skylane 4757 Tango is 6,600 for 4,000.
Skylane 4757 Tango, Buffalo, good afternoon, altimeter 2996.
2996, 57 Tango.
JetBlue 218, turn right heading 350, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000 heading 350, JetBlue 218.
Niagara Tower, Skylane 4757 Tango on the ILS 22 right, or 28 right.
Skylane 4757 Tango, Niagara Falls Tower, is the intention of this a full stop?
That's affirmative, and we're going to be going back to the FBO.
Would you like to take runway 24 on a circle? The winds are currently 25017, gusting 26, and it'll save you significant taxi time.
That sounds like a great idea. So what is that, 24 again?
Remember, 57 Tango, affirmative, circle north of the field, your discretion, report base runway 24.
Report base, runway 24, 57 Tango, thanks. You don't mind if we fly the ILS down a little bit further though, right?
That's fine, circle your discretion.
Wind check, please.
Winds 22018, gusting 25.
Offset 20.
Clear 102 Victor Sierra, ground, you're clear to Niagara Falls Airport as filed. Climb and maintain 9,000, departure frequency 126.5, squawk 5126.
Offset fully forward. Gears down, mixers rich.
My gears down.
Stay clear of the
Clear 2 Victor Sierra, read back correct.
High, a little fast.
Loud and clear.
Coming up on speed. Speed a little high.
9144, loud and clear.
Offset 30. High.
Nice.
Go flat. 5. Pull air on into the right. Gotta flatten it out at the very end.
Water going right through the crack. See the bar? See the bar right there?
That's what this bar used to do.
Exactly.
Water! How's that thing going up anyway?
Yeah, he was probably like scared.
Dad, how is it going up?
Atlantic Ocean. The catch here is salmon, bass, and trout. In the center, the whirlpool is estimated to be 126 feet deep. It's about 30 to 50 feet as it spans towards shore. So the oil car started up in 1916. It was privately owned and operated at that time, formerly known as the Spanish Aero Car, named after the Spanish designer and engineer. His name was Leonardo Torres Cabello.